Yetnaba sing case Thengnadana Santainaba purakpa ngamnabagi pandam da Mediation Centre ama athubada Manipur High Court ki campus ta thamnaba thourang paikhatli haina High Court of Manipur ki Chief Justice Siddharth Mridul na phongdokkhre. Wafam asi High Court of Manipur amate High Court Legal Services Committee na Supreme Court of India ki Mediation Conciliation Project Committee ga khutsamnaduna pangthokpa 40 hours mediation training program hawdokpagi thoramda mahangna phongdokhibane. Ngasidagi tha asigi taranipan phawba chathagada training program ado chingmairong talaiba High Court of Manipur ki auditorium da Chief Justice Siddharth Mridul na hawdokhe. Thauramadu mari leina mahakna hai mediation ki matang ta High Court Bar Association ki advocate sing Mari Lainan Ahenba Lausing Lainaba High Court of Manipur na Ahanba Oina Selba training program ase Yamna Maru Oiba Amane Ngasi de mediation ki khongthang ase dispute resolution ki tonganba pambai ama oibata natana matam masiga yamna chanaba sangtainab ki khongthang ama oire mediation ki khuthang da wayanba sina yenariba singado athupa matamda santaiba amadi tungkoiba waroshin purakpa ngambata natana nakalani ki marakta lainariba marida thoina akaiba pide santainaba haibasi Yetnaba amagi waroshin puraknabage khwaidagi chanaba khongthakne Mediation ki matang da pangthokliba training program ase yamna kanaba ama oigani khalle training program ase da High Court Bar Association ki advocate sing khaknatna togan ba department sing dagi professional sing retired bureaucrat officers sing amade logi professor kaya amasu yaure logi lamda leiba miyoi khaknatna togan ba sector da leiba miyoi singna training program ase da yaurakpa asina mediation ki tongan ba dimension sing na piriba kanaba sing ado khangba ngamgani khalle masina mediation ki khongthang ase Manipur da hena inclusive ama ohengane yanariba sing Santainaba ki lambi da Puraknaba gi wakhalonda High Court of Manipur ki campus da Mediation Centre ama athuba matamda thamnaba High Court Legal Services Committee na thourang paikhatli Center asina alternative dispute resolution mechanism hena chaukhatpagi lambida purakuna court lariba potlum sing hanhanbada achauba pambai ama oigani haina mahakna makhata ki
Mediation has evolved from being a mere alternative to dispute resolution into the preferred and highly effective mode of settling disputes. It is a mechanism that upholds the principle of mutual respect, dialogue and reconciliation. The oldest example that we give when we refer to mediation is that of the orange and the rind, right? That the two daughters are fighting over an orange, and the father comes to them and says what seems to be the problem. So they say both of us want the orange. So he asks the first daughter, why do you need the orange? She says, I need the rind so that I can make jam out of it, preserve. So he asks the other one, why do you need the orange? She says, I want to make juice. So the father separates the rind, the peels of the rind from the orange and gives it to the daughters. It's a win-win situation, as mediators put it all the time. So that's why mediation, in my respectful view, is the most effective method of alternative dispute resolution.